Hi there, good day. Welcome to Camglish.com. I am teacher Karen and we are here for another lesson about grammar. For today's lesson, we are going to continue answering the exercises about going to. Do you still remember when to use am going to? We usually use going to when we are talking about planned events. Again, we usually use going to when we are talking about planned events. What do we mean by planned events? Planned events are future events that have been planned before the time of speaking. Again, planned events are future events that has been planned before the time of speaking. For example, I am going to Mexico in a few days. I am going to Mexico in a few days. So, this sentence is talking about a planned event. I plan to go to Mexico in a few days. I planned to do it. I am going to Mexico in a few days. We also use going to make a future prediction based on facts. Again, we also used going to make a future prediction based on facts. For example, the test next week is going to be really hard. The topic is hard, so the test next week is going to be really hard. So again, this is a kind of prediction. The test next week is going to be really hard. We also use going to state something that is intended to take place in the future. Again, we also use going to state something that is intended to take place in the future. If we have an intention to do something, for example, I am going to be a rich person someday. I am going to be a rich person someday. I intend to be rich. I want to be rich. I plan to be a rich person someday. So, I intend to be a rich person someday. I am going to be a rich person someday. There you have it. So, are you ready to answer the exercises on your own? You can pause the video and then I will show you the answers later.
Okay, write it down. It tastes. Lisa, just continue.
Done?
I already wrote the word it.
Here are the answers. Let's discuss. Look at picture number 1. The clouds are dark. So, we can say, it's going to rain. So, this is a kind of prediction. It's going to rain. Number 2. The shelf is going to fall down. The shelf is going to fall down. Number 3. The car is going to turn right. The car is going to turn right. And number 4, he's going to kick the ball. He is going to kick the ball. He has an intention to kick the ball. So we can say, he is going to kick the ball. Now, let's move on to the next activity. What are you going to do today or tomorrow? You have to write 3 sentences. Were you able to write your own sentences now? I will give you some examples. Here are the examples. Number 1. I'm going to phone Maria this evening. I'm going to phone Maria this evening. I'm going to call Maria this evening. So this is a planned event. I'm going to phone Maria this evening. Number 2. I'm going to get up early tomorrow. I'm going to get up early tomorrow. And number 3. I'm going to buy some shoes tomorrow. I'm going to buy some shoes tomorrow. I plan to buy some shoes tomorrow. So, all 3 sentences here are planned events. And that is why we can use I'm going to. I'm going to buy some shoes tomorrow. There you have it. So please do memorize and review the videos for I'm going to. But if you want to learn more about these, you can study with us here in Camlish.com. I'm Teacher Karen. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.